Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm super pumped up to show you the all-new LEGO City sets sent by LEGO. Now, this video is sponsored by LEGO, so if you guys want to learn more about them, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And today we'll be looking at the brand new LEGO City sets that you can go ahead and see down below in the description. So this here is actually all three sets put together as one to kind of give you an idea exactly how it looks as a whole. Now the unique thing about LEGO City is the fact that you can go ahead and expand on your LEGO City by going ahead and buying new sets and kind of building off of it. So overall it creates a very unique aspect and kind of gives it a very different story to tell each time you build it. Now in this episode here we'll be unboxing them, trying them out and seeing exactly what they're all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox these things. Alright guys, so check it out. These here are the three sets that sent us. This here is a town center, this here is a skate park, and we have a holiday camper van. Now this is regarding LEGO City, a theme that's designed to go ahead and bring the town to LEGO. Now I'm really excited to see exactly what these are all about, so let's just go ahead and dive right into it, unbox these things, and build them. This here is the town center. That is actually a very awesome looking set. On the cover here you kind of see exactly what is happening. So you have a lot of different parts to this particular build. So you do get a car wash, you get a dojo, you get a pizza place, you get this almost like a playground kind of feel here with a little kid. You have a truck here that's designed to be a garbage truck. So you have a recycling bin, you have a garbage bin. Looks like you have a car, we have a fire, we have an ambulance, not ambulance, a motorcycle guy with water blaster. That's cool. And then we get a burglar stealing pizza. Sweet. So this is everything that you get. You get a total of 10 bags. And then you have these separate bags for our road as well as our surface pieces. We do have ourselves our user guides, and then lastly you do get some stickers here or decals to go ahead and implement into our town center. Let's go ahead and build it next and see what it looks like. So our town center is finally complete, and it was overall a very fun experience just because there's so many different things that you're building and they're not that complicated to build. Now for starters, we went ahead and built ourselves a car wash, which was actually a lot of fun. And the fact that it's kind of functional where the car will go through it and everything will kind of move about, and they even have like these little water parts here on the top that are moving. It's actually a very fun experience. Now they even have a little gas station here so you can go ahead and park your car there and fuel it up. Now it does come with a character that can go ahead and drive it, so that's kind of nice too. Then we went ahead and built ourselves the garbage truck. So this is kind of unique just because it has a claw on the back that allows you to go ahead and pick up both the garbage as well as the recyclable material. Now it does come with these little inserts. You can go ahead and put things in there, and then it has a little door on the back so you can go ahead and access it and remove whatever garbage may be in there. Now this does come with its own little character, which she actually houses it looks like a device to go ahead and control the claw. Then we went ahead and built ourselves the playground. So this was kind of fun just because it has another baby character. And then it comes with a little toy that kind of moves about. And then you even have a guy walking his dog. So that's kind of neat too. Kind of gives it a more personal feel. Then finally we went ahead and built our building. So this was a two-part construction, actually three-part construction. The first thing we went ahead and built was the pizza restaurant. So you can actually see there's a little oven with a fire, then you have a cash register, you have a character with the pizza, like the chef, and then you have a robber kind of stealing pizza running about. That's when our police character comes into play. So he has a little bicycle kind of chasing the robber. And then we went ahead and built our dojo, which houses a variety of different weapons, and it looks almost like a real fighting dojo. And then lastly, on the top we have a garden fenced with a very unique looking design structure with these little tiny Lego statues. So that's kind of cool. And then lastly, we have this fireplace here. So this is actually interesting. So it's almost like an interactive thing. So the way it works is you go ahead and take your character right over here, and then he or she actually has a gun, with a water gun, that you just go ahead and shoot, and you try to aim and knock down the flame just like that. So that's actually kind of cool. So you can go ahead and create an interactive, fun playing game. So overall, the design concept of it is very fun and has a lot of different replay value. This here is a great addition to your city, so you can go ahead and expand on it as it does come with the road maps. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out our next product. So up next we have our skate park. So if you kind of look at the box here, it kind of shows everything that it comes with. So you do get this unique looking park with a variety of different characters. You get 4 different characters. Now as you kind of flip it about, it kind of shows it a little bit more in terms of detail. So we do see these ramps, and we see these guys jumping on it. We do see this delivery car consisting of these drinks. So it's almost like a sponsored event. And then lastly, it does have the ability to go ahead and connect to your city, so you can go ahead and expand on it and connect this with our other town center as well. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's on the inside. Alright, so it looks like we have ourselves 2 separate bags, both of which consist of with these particular user manuals here. So one will build a skate park, one will build a car with the drinks, and then we do have some decals, and then lastly we have our road piece to go ahead and expand it to connect it to our town center. So let's go ahead and queue that up and build ourselves a skate park. So this here is our skate park, and overall a very fun build. There's a lot of different unique properties, from the actual Jeep with the drinks down to the different skateboard and skate parks. You have a lot of different variety of different things to build, and it's actually quite entertaining. Now, I particularly like the fact that the characters are very interesting, so you have a lot of different properties that make them unique. For instance, this one here is a special needs person in a handicapped chair as he's kind of doing a flip. You have this child on a bike, so that's kind of cool too. It's like an off-road dirt bike. And then lastly, you have the skater girl. So she's like housing a drink, so she's housing the Vista Rush drink. And then you have the Vista Rush truck. That was actually a lot of fun to build too. So you have the representative from the company, as well as some drinks, like a 6-pack right here, so you can go hand those out to the characters. And then it looks like it is sponsored by Vista Rush, just because they have these flags here too. So a great addition to the city portion of it, and I'm actually excited to go ahead and see how this plays out, especially next to the other builds. And yeah, kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Overall, very fun concept. So let's go ahead and check out the next box. Alright, and lastly we have our holiday camper van. As you kind of look at it here, it kind of has a very unique looking feel to it. So it's this gigantic van, comes with the family of course. So you have a couple with a baby, you have some chairs, some snacks, you have a, looks like a fire pit, and then as you kind of rotate it about, it kind of shows what it looks like on the inside. So it does have a sleeper portion, so you can go ahead and sleep on the top. So it's got this almost like family kind of vibe, which would be a great addition to our Lego City. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it consists of. Alright, so we get ourselves 2 separate bags here, and then we get ourselves a nice detailed user manual on how to go ahead and build this. Now it does have a QR code, so you can always go ahead and scan it and build it using your app. So kind of give you a more 3D perspective of it. And then we have some different decals as well as pieces to go ahead and create this. So with that said, let's go ahead and queue it up and build ourselves a sleeper wagon. So our holiday camper is complete, and it was a pretty fun build. There's a lot of different things that go with this, mainly because of the fact that you can go ahead and open it up. So on the top here, there is a sleeping bed where you can go ahead and place the characters in there to go ahead and take a nap if they want to. And then the whole entire side does open up, just like that. So you can go ahead and put the different Lego characters in there and have them interact. You can go ahead and take out the chairs and create a camping scene. Now it's even got a hitch on the back, so if you want to go ahead and expand on it, you could do that too. And overall, it was actually a great build. This is the first time I've personally seen a little baby Lego, so that's actually a really cute aspect to it, and I really enjoyed seeing how it all kind of came together. Definitely has a nice family feel. Alright, well there you guys have it. So these here are our Lego City pieces all together, and the fact that you can go ahead and bring them together to create your own little town is actually a lot of fun. There's a lot of stories to tell and a lot of replay value, so overall it was a great and fun experience. Now if you guys had any questions about these new sets, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, Thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.